Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you guys what you can eat to make you go poop. I haven't pooped in 12 days. I hurt really bad. I need to go poop. So this is what I'm going to go ahead and do. I got some hot water right here. I got some oatmeal. Oatmeal will make you poop. Got a lot of fiber in it. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of butter in there. Butter is real good in oatmeal. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some fiber. This fiber will also make you go poop. I like cream cheese. Cream cheese is so yummy. I'm going to go ahead and add some cream cheese in there for flavor. And then this here, more flavor. This is more fiber. More fiber, all this connected together will make me go poop. Alright, I got some butter in there. I'm going to melt it. And I'm going to go ahead and put other stuff in there now. Alright, I got everything in there. I don't have this in there yet. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the microwave. And then when I get it out, then I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. And there it is, right here. Very good. And it'll make me go poop. I need to go poop. I hope that you all like this video. If so, please drop a like and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.